Greetings to all. Today's topic is Signaling System 7. This entire presentation is made for the academic purpose for the students of BSA Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, final year ECE. The presentation is compiled by Dr. R. Iniyavan. Thanks to Dr. R. Iniyavan. Signaling System 7. It is a global standard telecommunication signaling protocol. It's actually a protocol stack. This can also be called as protocol stack. It gives the guidelines for the common channel signaling. It enables the call setup, management, and call termination across the PSTN networks. It's essential for call control, billing, roaming, short message services. If you look at this, all this call control, short message services comes under the control channels, control data, and billing and roaming details comes under the management data. So CCS is used to transfer this control and management data using a separate channel. For this, the guidelines are given by the signaling system 7, which will be called as SS7. It's a protocol stack. It can be called as protocol stack. The key functions are call setup and teardown. SS7 establishes and releases the calls across the networks, managing the routing and setup information needed to connect the two parties. Another kind of services given by the SS7 are management services. The other parts, that is the billing, routing and roaming, SMS support, authentication, all this comes under the call management services, so kind of management control signals. This is the architecture for the SS7 protocol. So MTP level 1 is nothing but message transfer. This is at the physical layer level. And level 2 is at data link layer level, and MTP level 3 is under the network layer level. This part is your SS7 protocol part and signal transmission part. Ethernet, all of us we know that is the standard physical standard. IP is the internet protocol standard. SCTP, we will see it one after another. The complete protocol suite is explained in the successive slides. Message transfer part is nothing but MTP. As I mentioned, MTP1 you have physical layer, MTP2 is the data link layer which ensures the error free transmissions. MTP level 3 is the part of the network which routes the SS7 messages. The other part is after the MTP, we will be seeing about the signaling connection control part, which is nothing but the SSCP. SCCP can be divided into two layers: application layer and SCCP layer. From the applications, it send the request to the layer part, SCCP network layer part. From that, the protocol has sent the messages to reach the signaling point B, that is the second point. From the receiver part, again it retransmits the whatever is the request. For that, it responses. The responses are retransmitted. So the next part is TCAP, that is transaction capabilities application part. It manages the interactive communication sessions, um, like querying databases, providing authentication, all those things. ISDN user part is termed as ISUP. ISDN is Integrated Service Digital Network. We will see it later. The ISDN completely helps to handle the call setup and tear down the networks, tear down across the networks. All these transmissions, all these informations are carried by ISUP part. MAP is the mobile application part. It manages the mobile applications like SMS, location updates, authentication in the mobile networks, all those things. The workflow of SS7 is given here. First, it set up the call. When a user initiates the call, SS7 sends the request as the setup request through the SS7 network. This SS7 network is passes through all the STP points and reaches the SEP. SEP is the service endpoint, that is service endpoints, switching endpoints, which may be the MSCs and user equipments. Likewise, it set the call. Then another thing part of the work is a database inquiries. So database queries, the call needs additional information. The SSP queries and SCP service control points. SCP is service control points to retrieve the data. The other process are call management, tear down, roaming, and SMSs. During all this progress, SS7 handles and reroutes the data wherever it is required to all the STPs or SCPs. Advantages are high efficiency, it supports multiple services and enhanced security. As because of out of band signaling, or SS7 is remember that SS7 protocol supports CCS. So CCS is a kind of out of band signaling. That's why it has enhanced security. Applications voice call management, essential for routing and managing the traditional mobile phone calls. SMS and messaging services manages routing, delivery, and reliability of SMS services. Roaming services, location tracking, and call routing are done by SS7. Intelligent network services enable services like toll free calling, call forwarding, caller ID, all those things. The SS7 introduction is completed. Thank you.